Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable virtual reality settings in Google Chrome step by step. So if you want to use VR features and virtual reality content in Chrome, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, click on Help and then select About Google Chrome. Here, Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, update your browser to the latest version. Once your browser is updated, click on the three dots again. Now select Settings from the menu. After that, look at the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find Additional Permissions. Under this section, look for the Virtual Reality option. Click on it to open the settings. Here, you will see the Virtual Reality toggle option. Turn the toggle on to enable virtual reality in Google Chrome. Once enabled, websites that support VR content will be able to use virtual reality features in your browser. And that's it. This is how you can enable virtual reality settings in Google Chrome easily. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.